Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Myself Alisha, welcome you all back to my channel Alisha's Art, and today we will talk about a very beautiful flowering plant, ixora. Yes friends, as you are seeing in front of you, these are ixora plants that I have in my garden. So let's talk about it now. So ixora plants are tropical to semi-tropical evergreen shrub. It belongs to the Rubiaceae family. Its leaves are leathery, ranging from 3 to 6 inches in length. However, nowadays miniature varieties are also available that bear small leaves. They produce large clusters of tiny flowers in the summer till September to October, which comes in red, orange, yellow and pink colors. It's a very easygoing, low maintenance plant. I have these few ixora plants in my garden along with this bonsai of ixora, as you can see. Now regarding its soil, ixora prefers well drained, slightly acidic soil with good quantity of compost in it. Soil must remain moist but not soggy. As you can see, I watered this plant in the morning and now the soil is moist but not soggy. For its potting mix, we can take 30% garden soil. This is the garden soil, normal garden soil. Then 35% vermicompost or cow dung compost. I am taking here vermicompost. Then 35% the river sand. And along with this, I am adding 1 fistful of neem khali. You can also add mustard cake. Also, I am adding 1 tablespoon of fungicide. And I am going to prepare the potting mix with these ingredients. I am going to mix them well and prepare the potting mix. Friends, ixora likes acidic soil, but if over time the soil starts to become alkaline, then the plant will show the sign of its condition. What sign? Let's see. As you can see, under this condition, the leaf starts turning yellow and the blooming will also reduce. The midrib and the veins remain green, but the other parts turns yellow in color. This condition is called chlorosis, and this happens due to deficiency of iron, zinc, manganese and other such essential nutrients, micronutrients in the soil. Adding compost solves this problem as they are acidic in nature and they are going to make the soil acidic. So go for vermicompost rather than cow dung compost in summer. I am going to add a good quantity of vermicompost to this pot. So here, add the compost 2 to 3 inches away from the main stem because it is acidic in nature and might harm the plant. In place of this, you can also use fitkery or you can use shredded dried lemon peels to acidify the soil. 1 tablespoon around the rim of the pot. Seaweed fertilizer also adds essential micronutrients to the soil. Simply take 1 liter of water and add 4 to 5 drops of this seaweed fertilizer. We can also use micronutrient powder, which is easily available in agricultural shops, and just we have to add half tablespoon in 1 liter of water and spray the solution on leaves nicely. Now our seaweed solution is ready and I am pouring it into the pot from all the sides. Friends, for ixora, mulching also plays an important role. Mulching means covering the surface of the soil, and for that you can use compost, shredded leaves or bark chips or onion peels, etc. And this helps to maintain the soil moisture and help maintain a proper acidic soil pH. So I'm going to use some dried leaves for mulch. Distribute the mulching material covering the entire surface of the soil. These mulch material will decompose over time and becomes manure. And make sure you add mulch 2 to 3 inches away from the main stem. Ixora is a sun-loving plant and daily 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight exposure is best for it. But it should be, however, protected from scorching afternoon heat during summer, otherwise leaves and flowers will get burnt. In cooler places, full day sunlight exposure is recommended. It can tolerate some shade, but bright sunlight brings out lively colors and more copious blooming. We need to water this plant to keep its soil moist but not soggy, or else its root might rot. In winter, water this plant at an interval of 2 to 3 days. In fertilization of this plant, we should fertilize it in the early Feb month with fertilizers that are acidic in nature, and repeat fertilizing in midsummer and autumn season. For this, go for a good quantity of vermicompost in the summer, and in winter both vermicompost as well as cow dung compost can be used. Watering will make the nutrient release slowly into the soil and then easily absorbed by the plant. Seaweed fertilizer can also be used, and here this is an NPK fertilizer. We must use NPK fertilizer with higher phosphorus and potassium ratio. Then this is bone meal. This is also a very good fertilizer for this plant. Try to add a little amount in the potting mix. And this can also be used. This is Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate. A very good fertilizer for this plant. Ixora tolerates pruning well and can be trimmed back by several inches without any harm. It makes the plant bushier and also helps in keeping it in a desired shape and size. It can be pruned in late autumn or any time the shrub looks untidy. As for cutting, it can be grown very easily from stem cutting during the month of February and during the monsoon season. We can also grow Ixora plant from seeds, as you can see here. Soak the matured seed in water for overnight and then put it in the soil the next day to grow new plants. Ixora plant may undergo aphid infestation, in which aphids assemble at joints of the leaves and stems or the underside of the leaves. Regular spray of neem oil in water is beneficial in getting rid of aphid infestation. So friends, this is all about Ixora plant. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, then do not forget to like and comment. Also share my video with your friends and family, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Take care everyone, stay happy, care for Mother Nature, live and let live. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.